In this guide, I will show you step by step how to deposit and withdraw money from FxPro trading. So guys, if you want to withdraw or deposit money, all you have to do, go to this section on deposit, as you can see here, click this one. After that, friends, just await. You have two options here, or four options to deposit. You have a credit card. If you have a credit card, write your card numbers and expire date and CVV, and then choose your amount you want to withdraw. For example, 1000 USD. If you have a Binance Pay, you can withdraw through Binance Pay. Just enter your amounts and then click you should be funds, click fund, and then you will redirect it to Binance to complete the steps. If you have a bank transfer, guys, this is for Pay Binance, guys. Write your all details for your Binance account, such your user ID. If you have a USDT, you can just copy your address, guys. I think you can copy your address here, and then you will deposit successfully. So guys, I will back again to my wallet here. Click withdraw if you want to withdraw, guys, and then you will withdraw easily, just like deposit. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this video for more content.